Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can find USDT wallet address on your KuCoin account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. First of all, you need to log in into your KuCoin account. So once you're logged into your KuCoin account, this is what the interface is going to look like. And on this page, you need to click on Asset or the Wallet tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. And on this page, you need to click on Deposit, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Next page, you'll need to type in the cryptocurrency that you're looking for. Since we are finding the wallet address for USDT, as soon as you type in USDT, next interface will be able to see the wallet address. So in order to copy or in order to save the wallet address, you can just tap on Copy Address in order to copy it. And if you want to save it, then click on Save QR Code in the right hand side corner. As you can see, this is the network type. In case if you want to change the network type, then you need to click on the current network type. After that, you'll have the list of network type, so you can select it accordingly. So that is how you can find USDT wallet address on your KuCoin account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.